Hey, if you want to see how we keep bounce rates low, meaning less than 1%, even sending to catch all emails in case you sell to enterprise companies, this is the video you need to see. My name is Jorge, co-founder of Astra GTM. We're basically a go-to-market agency that helps companies figure out outbound. So welcome to the video. Yeah, basically many companies that we've talked with have the issue that they know which companies they want to go after. They know the people and the titles they want to go after. They find their LinkedIn profiles, but whenever they download data from any database, it's basically like they have the issue like whenever they click send to their emails, they figure out like most of the emails that they have are invalid, which affects deliverability and email reputation, like, well, domain reputations and all that. So they just ended up hurting their infra and wasting a lot of efforts with contacts that you should not be reaching out to. So this is a process that we follow at Astra UTM to make sure that we're getting a consistently less than 1% bounce rate on the emails that we use, even if you're using catch-alls. So like what we have seen is like that even works for catch-alls. So nice. So basically what we have here a list for a client that basically contains like all the emails that we're reaching out, the titles and all of that. So like we do a lot of like ClayGen verification here. We're probably gonna be making a video about that, how to use ClayGen and how to prompt for it. However, for this specific stuff, first thing that I've seen that a lot of people do not do whenever they get data from any data source, like they don't validate it. So what we have here, like we have like a GPT, we have like a client that goes into a specific profile and confirms that the person that we're reaching out is literally employed at the company that the database said. So we have this issue like we reach out somebody like I don't know the VP of sales of of a company, and then when you look at their LinkedIn, it's not even employed there. So like now what we're doing here, it's that what this is like allowing us to remove 5-10% of the leads that it's not like really qualified people to be reaching out after. Now whenever you have the LinkedIn, you have the name of the person and you have the domain, you can like basically find the email of anybody if it exists. So we are using the standard Clay waterfall to find the email. We like to use basically Lead Magic as a email validator tool. I think it's like one of the best ones that is currently in the market. And I really support Jesse. So probably like it's gonna be like one of the best ones that we.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing when it comes to tooling. Um, Good. So like this is the first layer of validation that we use. Once we already have this validation,
The next thing that we do is we do instantly verification. This is like super nice and interesting tool to be using. Reason for this is that basically Smartly and instantly have two features. One feature is they literally allow you to have the data of all the community, like everybody that is sending email. And if they detect bounces on somebody that already sent an email to that specific email address, it's gonna like flag it as an invalid. So it's gonna tell you basically it's protecting the community itself. So like you should not be reaching out to
um, invalid emails anymore. So
nice. We have this the first layer is Lead Magic, second layer is like instantly, and then since we use since we use Smartlead as sequencer for our agency operations, we're able to also use that for our verification, and this is how we literally solve for this, how we use like the Smartlead side of verification. Nice. So basically, whenever you're here in Smart Lead and you want to create like a specific campaign for a client, you can have two options. You can either like upload it from Play or you can do the CSV file. I think both are on Play on um, The community exclusion, the same one that we were doing here
at instantly is also in smart lead. However, like this is a way you can use it, which also you can use it.
okay. Basically, whenever you load like specific list, there is like a toggle that is here, import leads, even if they bounce across our entire user base. So basically, if enable, any lead that is bounced across your entire user base will still be imported. We recommend not enable this to reduce bounce rate. So like this is by default active, so you just need to click it down, then you click it save. Then you select your client, whatever, whatnot. You map whatever needs to get mapped, company name, yeah, whatever. Then you click save next. Now this is where the magic happens. It's like you're not only deleting the ones that are community based, then you also are doing the same validator that is here
Um, on smart lead. So nice. So it's gonna take a
few seconds. Should be not that big. Should not take that long. We'll see. Okay, now good. So basically here, what we have upload leads. Is like the amount of leads. Is like duplicated that wasn't the lead. So basically, like these leads, like this blocked email account, already like got rid of 36. Oh no, sorry, this community blocked account. Yeah, didn't remove anything for now. But also like there's like launch verification and proceed. So basically you only do this and that's it. Like you click there and it's gonna be community bounce exclusion, instantly exclusion, lead magic validation, and smart lead validation. So you're gonna make sure everything's the best deliverability ever possible here. Nice. Yeah. So basically, here we have smartly reports of the sends. I mean, we haven't sent that many for this specific campaign, but here you can see like the bounce rates. Like basically, we have 1,000 email sends, 0.4% bounce rate. We have 300 email sent, like zero bounces, 142 email sent, zero bounce, 791, zero like 0.16 bounces. So we like so far we have seen like that's the process. Like even if you're selecting catch-alls, it's gonna drive you the best like the lowest bounce rate scores possible. Yeah, that's it. Let us know if you have any question. Feel free to reach me LinkedIn. You can find it in the description of the video or in the description of the channel. Have a good one. Thank you so much.